The Evolution of the Design of Data Centers and the Importance of Their Development by Jacques Wheeler. A data center is a physical space, a facility that contains computer systems and related components. They can include power supply, backup services that provide redundancy, or communication equipment. The first data center was built in the US in 1946, and that data center was called the ENIAC, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. The American Army used it for storing defense codes. There are four primary elements to a data center. One, which is the facility, which is the usable space available for IT equipment, designed to optimize space and environmental control to keep equipment within specific temperature and humidity ranges. The core components, which is equipment and software for IT operations and storage of data and applications. This may include storage systems, servers, switches and routers, and firewalls. The third is the support infrastructure, which is equipment contributing to securely sustaining the highest availability possible. And within that is the uninterruptible power source, which is power banks, generators, and things of that nature. Environmental control, which is computer room air conditioning, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and exhaust systems. Also within it is the physical security, which is the biometrics and the video surveillance. The fourth primary element of a data center is operations of staff, which is personnel available to monitor operations and maintain IT and infrastructure equipment 24/7. There are four types of data centers. You have enterprise data centers, managed services data center, co-location data centers, and cloud data centers. An enterprise data center is a private facility operated for the sole use of supporting a single organization. They can be located either on premises or off premises at a site chosen for connectivity, power, and security purposes. A few advantages for enterprise data center would be that they're known for being suited for companies' unique network needs. They can be purpose built for maximum compatibility with an organization's enterprise application and processes. It also makes it easy for organizations to estimate further data center needs. They have extensive monitoring systems to ensure high IT visibility. A few disadvantages would be that building and equipping a data center and an enterprise data center is very costly. They're hard to keep up to date due to the new cloud computing and could cause delays in communication. A few known companies that use this type of data center would be Google and Facebook. Managed services data centers are data centers that are managed by third parties. They're used by enterprises and small and medium sized businesses. Companies entrust third party providers with critical technical functions. Companies decide to use these type of data centers when they're tight on budget, want to boost overall cybersecurity, and to keep up with rapid technological changes. A few examples would be supply chain management, enterprise resource planning, logistics and analytics, and sustainability consulting and guiding. Co-location data centers are any large data center facility that rents out rack space to third parties for their server or other network equipment. The hardware is usually owned by the companies themselves and simply housed and sometimes maintained by the data center staff. Companies can have their equipment located in multiple places. Co-location data centers help companies with large geographic footprints keep computer systems located near their physical offices. A few benefits would be lower costs, exceptional reliability, geographic location, and easy scalability. Cloud data centers. Cloud data centers are data centers that are hosted by cloud servers, and they are all off premise data centers, and they are all online. A few examples would be Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or IBM Cloud. In summary, the evolution and development of data centers are vital to the growth of IT because every single bit of information needs to and will be stored in someone's data center somewhere.